Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove all animation from your Instagram reel on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the social media section next to the whiteboards option and go to the Instagram section, and here you can find the Instagram reel option. In the designs section you can find the different templates and just select one and tap to your canvas and go to the drift option next to the information button at the upper side of the screen, and here you can find the remove all animations button, and if you step on it, all animation removed from your Instagram reel. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.